Hey team, today we're going to count down the top 5 videos of my channel for 2020. I'm Colby Fayok, and if this is your first time here, make sure you hit subscribe for future updates. In 2020, not including this video, I've produced 39 different videos. Overall, that's 76,000 views. I'm also fortunate to have almost 2,500 of you subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the videos and we'll start with number 5. At number 5, it's Intro to Agile Software Development with Jira. This video had just under 4,000 views. If you've worked as a developer on a team, chances are you've probably heard the term Agile. But what is it, and what does it actually mean to be Agile? In this video, I walk you through the most common concepts that you'll need to learn when joining a new team. At number 4, it's how to create a loading animation with pure CSS. This video also has nearly 4,000 views. There's a ton of awesome JavaScript libraries out there to do some really fancy animations, but chances are you might not even need that. There's a lot you can do with pure CSS. So I walk you through how to create a loading animation just like you see on many of your favorite sites. Coming at number 3, it's how to use Framer Motion to add animations and page transitions to a Next.js React app. This video had over 5,500 views. Framer Motion is a super powerful library that allows you to add really awesome animations right to your app. It integrates really well with React.js, so you can add some awesome interactions so it can create a better experience for the people visiting your site. I use an example Rick and Morty wiki app to walk through adding some interactions that are kind of weird and along the lines of Rick and Morty. Coming at number 2 is how to create a coronavirus COVID-19 dashboard and map app in React with Gatsby and Leaflet. This video had almost 9,500 views. The pandemic was awful and it took over the world by storm. The cool thing about maps is it gives us a way to visually understand dense data, like how a pandemic is actually impacting the world. So I walk through how to grab COVID statistics from an API and apply those to the map so people can see how many cases and unfortunately how many deaths are in each country. Remember, even though there might be light at the end of the tunnel, we're still in the middle of a pandemic. So please be safe and wear a mask. And finally, at number 1, how to use Storybook JS to create a component design system in React. Storybook is an awesome tool that helps you build component systems in different frameworks like React and Vue. It allows you to focus specifically on each component as you're building it. It's also a good way to kind of self-document as you're going along. I walk you through integrating Storybook into a new React app. I also show you how to create a component so you can get started off with your library. I had a lot of fun building out these tutorials this year. I truly hope these videos have helped you learn some cool tools and level up as a developer. And if you also want to see the top 5 articles or egghead videos, you can check out the link in the description. While this is my first year actually getting started, I'm super excited to see what comes in 2021. I'd love to know what was your favorite video that I produced. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of the year. If you like this video, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.